Namaskar, I am Dr. Anand Kumar Das from India Meteorological Department, a scientist. Stay with me for next few minutes. I'll be talking about past week weather and then I'll be also telling something about the next 2 weeks, what will be the weather. So, first here I can say one thing that every dynasty goes, another dynasty comes. Same way the monsoon season already gone and it is going. But another season is coming, that is the cyclone season. And that transition is not always quiet, at least all over the country. The transition over sea is not very quiet. That's why the season is called cyclone season. So, past week weather, now if we can see that there is no prominent weather except low pressure system of the north west Andhra Pradesh and Odisha coast. That low pressure system meander over this region and due to that weather happens over the coastal region. And there are some other cyclonic circulation. One was over Arabian Sea, East Central Arabian Sea of Goa and Maharashtra coast. That also caused some kind of rain over that region. And then we can see that withdrawal of the monsoon happened gradually and northwest India now nearly covered and no season that southwest monsoon is withdrawal from that northwest India except a few part of east UP is left. And then some cyclonic circulation also we have seen over northeast India, that also caused weather. And if we see the weather, what happened due to that, we can see from this cloud formation that what was the weather during the week, that weather actually caused rainfall and other activity over the coastal region, mainly over coastal region and northeast India. So, actual rainfall observed is plotted in this figure and we can see that shading region of blue, yellow is over this region only and sometime it is also over this southern peninsula part as well as the coastal west coast due to that cyclonic circulation. And main whatever weather happened, that is we can see that Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, Sub-Saharan West Bengal, Sikkim, then parts of Bihar and then Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. So these and northeast states already covered. So now we will be seeing the what happened this week subdivision wise. So this plot is giving the subdivision wise rainfall distribution. So above normal we can see that mainly normal and above normal activity happened whatever we seen in the last map. So that means Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh and northeast states, they are having normal and above normal activity, and Andaman Nicobar also got normal activity. And last week we forecasted about this from our extended range forecast system. The first week forecast, it was like that, and we can see that the area of the rainfall is matching very well. And this is the first week of the season, and the seasonal rainfall is also computed from this season. So, but it is subdued rainfall activity compared, if we compare from the climate normal. So it is minus 23%. And now it is the weather system of today. So we can see there is no prominent system today, only except one north-south trough over along the east coast, and then another north-south trough from Telangana to Tamil Nadu, and embedded cyclonic circulation is there. So due to this, some weather will be happening. And another thing we can see here, that one remnant of low pressure is coming from South China Sea to our North Andaman Sea. Now it comes to week 1 weather. So week 1 weather forecast, if we see, this is the forecast from our global forecast system model. So that is showing that one low pressure system is forming over North Andaman Sea and adjoining area on 9th, and then it is gradually moving initially north, then northwestward, and then reaching up to Andhra and Odisha coast as a depression, and cyclonic circulation due to that also is visible from this picture. And due to that, what will happen in the weather, and what is the warning we can issue for this weather system, that is visible from this picture. And we can see that warning is mainly due to this low pressure system, and that is causing fast over island region, then gradually it is moving over sea, and then when it is reaching towards coast, then it is causing the weather, and that is heavy rainfall or strong winds, that is the coastal area of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, that is mostly affected. And then okay, and if we go to the forecast of that low pressure system, whether it will become any cyclonic disturbance like cyclonic storm. So for that, the forecast of the extended range forecast, it is telling that the mean 850 wind, it is showing that there is a cyclonic circulation, and this also anomaly is showing that strong cyclonic circulation over here. But first week, as we see from GFS, it is not becoming cyclones, but rather it is becoming deep depression. And next week also there is another mean wind is also showing that cyclonic circulation, and an anomaly is also cyclonic circulation. So that means there is again chance of cyclonic disturbance. Now there is one probability that is called cyclogenesis, evolution and probability in percentage from this modeling system. It is showing that along this region it is very much favorable for cyclonic disturbances, and that is also sustaining in the next week as well. So we can expect that consecutively some low pressure system or cyclonic disturbance will form over sea, and it will gradually move towards land. Then rainfall due to this system, certainly we can see that fast low pressure system is causing week 1 rainfall, this movement, and this heading also we can see that it is following the path of the low pressure system. And then next week also the activity continues and it enhanced, and due to that this anomaly is also here very much positive, although this positive value is larger due to the low values of the normal. So now if we can summarize the week 1 weather systems forecast, then low pressure area is likely to form over North Andaman Sea and adjoining area on 9th. Then it will gradually move west-northwestward, and then it will reach up to North Andhra Pradesh or South Odisha coast as a depression, and it will be reaching to the coast on 11th afternoon or evening. But as soon as that low pressure system is reaching there, another low pressure system is just following that, then that low pressure system will be forming over the same region nearly 14th October, and it will certainly intensify, and it will become a cyclonic disturbance, and after 2 days, certainly in the next, it is not in this week, it will be in the next week. And above normal activity due to this system will be over major parts of the country except the northwest India in this week, and western Himalayas region, where below normal activity we can expect. The night temperature about, certainly this winter is coming, So we are very much interested about night temperature. So night temperature is likely to remain below normal over northwest India in this week. Now, second week summary, as we mentioned that one low pressure formed, so certainly that will become the main system in this week, and that will intensify, and that will be over the sea moving towards the coastal region of our India, and due to this consecutive two low pressure system, the withdrawal of the southwest monsoon will not be possible, and that will be happening after 22nd October. And then above normal activity, due to this, as we seen in our rainfall chart, that above normal activity will be over nearly all over the country except southernmost part of the peninsula. And then night temperature in the next, although first week it was below normal, but in the next week it will be above normal or near normal. So again, our people will be coming in the next week with that video, and we can see our every activity due following our all those apps, and these apps are very much useful. Please download, install these apps in your mobile and go each and every app and experience the weather scenario and whatever activity will happen or happening over our country. Thank you.